It is a culmination of a desire to create an inclusive society, a society that values its traditions, its cultures, its craft, a pocket of nostalgia, a pocket of acceptance, a pocket of pride for our roots and traditions. So the idea was to bring in Gazra Cafe, in the heart of the city, a space which reintroduces you to Indian flavors and culture and people who have over time become invisible to us.
When you enter Gazra, you know you're in Gujarat. You know you are authentically in India. So the culture of the space or the place that we belong to comes alive. And that is thus the soul feels stirred and happy. And that is what I feel when I enter Gazra.
A lot can be achieved by welcoming people into your lived experiences and sharing them with compassion. In this case, we talk about the LGBTQI.
With this place, I came to know so much about different aspects that people are facing being part of the community, being just a human.
मैं ना एक इंट्रोवर्ट टाइप का हूँ, मैं बहुत शाई हूँ, मैं बात नहीं कर पाता था, मैं किसी को ना जॉब ही नहीं दे पाता। इनफैक्ट जो न्यू पर्सन्स आते हैं ना, उसको मैं क्लासेस देने पे भी मैं डरता था।
We were very sure that we want people from community to be part of it and to be greeting guests.
हम सर्विस दे रहे हैं, हम उनसे अच्छे से बात कर रहे हैं, तो वो एक जरिया हो गया है कि एक काम भी हो रहा है एंड हम उनको बोल भी रहे कि हम ये हैं, उनको एक जानना भी मिल रहा है जिनको नहीं पता।
If you want to bring people together and create joy and laughter, food is a must. We wanted to go back to all the bhuli bisri recipes and bring it to the fore. Lot of items that you see on the menu, you must have never even heard of them because they are from remote places in a village of Maharashtra or a grandmother's kitchen somewhere in Gujarat.
खाने में तो बहुत ही अलग वैरायटी है जो पहले बाहर कहीं पे नहीं मिले, वो सब चीज़ें अलग से यहाँ पेश होती है।
I wanted people of Gazra to taste what the earth actually gives us. Pairing the sharpness of ginger with the lemongrass, chandan with rose, raw mango with soft and sweet Floramoria. It just feels like magic.
तो पिक्चर्स है, वेसल्स है, सब पुराने हैं, वो भी हमारी जो हेरिटेज है वो सब संभाल रहे हैं लोग।
जो भी सामान डिस्प्ले में है वो सारा हमारे स्टोर में था पहले तो। उसके बाद में ये जो कच्छ का वॉल हैंगिंग्स वगैरह है वो सब पैलेस में था। आई एम लाइक cafes is a baby for me. Like how I see my baby grow and cafes growing.
I think Gazra is a form of a silent march, if I may say so, for many, many causes. Of course, most eminent is the LGBTQI, but it is also as much about the other marginalized communities.
As every child born, I also get born in a normal middle class family. Time went out, things were, bit confusing. I was not okay with the body.
खुल के नहीं जी पाते, मतलब कहने का मतलब है कि मैं भी अपने घर रहते भी होंगे ना तो ताने सुन सुन के वैसे ही रहेंगे जैसे घर वाले चाहते हैं। जो वो है वो नहीं रहेंगे वो।
For me, freedom is if I'll walk on a road, I really appreciate if people see me as a human. They won't judge and they won't treat me as an alien.
ऑल ह्यूमन आर सेम ना, तो फिर नॉर्मलाइज होना चाहिए।
We are not loud, we are not very flamboyant. We are normalizing what society is.
So the Gazra Cafe was also intended to support the Gazra project. And the project itself stands for helping the LGBTQI community stand on their feet, to find the right resources. Maya is going to be helped by our Gazra project, wherein she will be assisted and handheld through the process of her gender reassignment.
For community, LGBT community, Gazra Cafe is a perfect place where they can connect with the world throughout the food.
बताओ ना, ये एक बहुत अच्छा कंफर्ट जोन है जहाँ मैं अपनी मर्जी से रह पा रहा हूँ। मुझे किसी को बताना नहीं पड़ रहा कि मैं ये हूँ, मुझे ये ऐसा ट्रीट करो। घर वाली वाइब आती है।
I've seen a lot of change with Gazra and people mindsets, because there were people who had no idea what LGBTQI stands for. A lot of people who thought it's a medical condition.
Inclusiveness is what creates a harmonious society. I like to bring my friends and family here for this very reason.
At the same time, I feel people from the community who worked here have developed a lot more confidence. They are more comfortable in their skin as well as interacting with others, and they stand up for themselves. And that's what we want.